or a right, looking after yourselves and others through better oral hygiene.
Given the current situation that many of us across the world are in, maintaining personal hygiene has arguably never been so important.
Especially regular hand washing with soap for 20 seconds or using hand sanitizer gel when that is not possible.
One of the most important measures one has to remember is that practicing these measures and maintaining hygiene not only protects you but also those around you.
The world of dentistry is changing. Look beyond these challenging times with our community. We are all in this together, inspiring a positive shift in the dental profession. Yes, we can.
To help prevent dental problems from happening during coronavirus, here are few checklists from a dentist panel. Never share a toothbrush. Want to pen down tip number 2? Here we go.
Tip number 2. Change your toothbrush regularly. Let's see what the next tip is.
During this period of uncertainty, we dentists are always ready to help you on call. Also, don't forget to do the basics for better oral hygiene.
Brush your teeth twice daily. You should brush your teeth twice daily using a fluoridated toothpaste for at least 2 months. Move on to tip number 5.
Tip number 5. Brush both bed. The best time to brush your teeth at night is before you go to bed to ensure that your mouth remains bacteria free. Now let's move on to tip number 6.
Tip number 6. The constant exposure to sugar may prove harmful to health as well as teeth. So let's cut down on how much sugar you have and how often you have it. Let's move to tip number 7.
Tip number 7. Keep sugar consumption to meal times. This will reduce the time your teeth are under attack. Move on to tip number 8.
Tip number 8. Use integrated brushes or floss to clean in between the teeth. Now these brushes or floss helps remove food stuff between the teeth and removes the film of bacteria that forms there before it has a chance to harden into plaque, which would then further cause tooth decay or gum problems. Now we'll move on to tip number 9.
Tip number 9. Use your mouthwash twice daily to protect yourself from plaque, bacteria and bad breath.
Tip number 10. Drink plenty of water and avoid cold beverages for better oral health, hygiene and well-being. It's important we all take these measures to protect ourselves and each other.
The pandemic has a beautiful bright side too. Stay home, stay safe.
लौट आएगी फिर वही खुशी संग मनाएंगे